have OCD when it comes to packing. Like serious issues. So Superman is at the gym, aka Brandon, and this is the perfect time to do this video because when it comes to packing, we leave it for me to do. I have extreme OCD when it comes to packing. Just because we're minimalist and we don't have a lot of stuff, I still like things to be a particular way. So Superman's job is to roll our clothes for us. Now, today what we're gonna go over are 6 simple hacks that we use as minimalists to pack more efficiently, and some things might surprise you. Now, this video is not going to be about rolling your clothes to fit them and pack them better, because if you already don't roll your clothes, honey, that's a different conversation for a different day. How about we jump right in? So tip number 1 for packing as a minimalist. I have everything around me we're going to talk about, so let's go to the first one. Actually, let's go to the most obvious. Amazon Firestick. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's super small and compact that it can even fit in my carry-on. Well, both of our bags are carry-on, but my smaller bag, like that has my laptop and stuff like that. It's super small, and what we love about this is you can, I'm sure you guys know, but you can get Amazon Prime, you can get Spotify, you can get Netflix, Hulu, all of that. And when you're traveling internationally, you don't have access to certain shows and things like that that you might want to watch and see. So this has been a game changer for us. We actually wish we bought this before we left Hawaii, but we got it when we were in Chiang Mai and the lockdown was about to happen. So we're really glad that we got it because we were able to binge watch shows we had never watched. So hack number 1, Amazon Firestick. We love this thing, and it's also good because then we don't have to worry about carrying external hard drives filled with movies and things we downloaded. Even if you have like Apple TV and stuff, like all those things. But we love Amazon Firestick. It's amazing. So that is hack number 1. Bring something that is a good source of entertainment for you that won't take up space. And this is great. So hack number 2. So Brandon helped me with this before he left. Use what you have. Packing as a minimalist means that you try to reuse as much as you can and reuse things that you can also use for other things. So this Listerine bottle is 100 milliliters. And this is how much you can actually bring on the plane. Now, what's in here right now is not Listerine. It is a shampoo. So hack number 2 is take things that you have that you can reuse. The reason why we opt for this option, or we choose this option, as opposed to like those little bottles you get from the hotels, super cute, most of them. Totally get why people want to collect them. But they're not super efficient simply because sometimes they spill. So what I love about this Listerine bottle is it gives me the max amount of liquid that I can bring in our toiletry bag, and it's child-proof. So I never have to worry about anything spilling. As you can see in the video, in this particular bottle we used shampoo. Because I have curly hair and my hair is pretty fine, I have to use a certain conditioner and shampoo. So I try to make sure that we never get stuck where I don't have what I need. Happened in Cambodia, it was horrible. My hair, I lost so much hair because of the water, and I didn't have the proper shampoo and conditioner. So we had to go on a search for it in Siem Reap. So that was crazy. But yeah, so hack number 2, reuse what you have. And Listerine bottles are perfect because they're childproof and spill-proof. And so definitely do that. Number 3 for packing as a minimalist. Let's be real. A lot of people think that just because you are a minimalist, that means you have to sacrifice things that you feel like you might need. And while yes, in some cases that's true, it's not true for everything. So Superman works out every single day. It's, you know, he's always training, and it's really important for him to have certain things that he needs. Because yes, he could do calisthenics and, you know, use his own body weight and things like that, but especially during the pandemic, you just don't know when gyms are going to close and things like that. So it's good to bring things that you need for your health to stay healthy. And to some it might be a luxury, but it depends on your lifestyle, right? And for us, we're pretty active. He's very active. I'm, you know, he is able to bring anything he needs to work out as long as it breaks down. So this ab wheel, looks super inconvenient. Like, who's gonna want to pack this, right? Well, this was his selling point to me. He knows how to get me. But it comes apart. Sorry, I'm not strong enough for this, but it comes apart. So the rod comes off, and then you're just left with this wheel, and then it goes on like this, and then you can just pack it. And this is great because I'll show you our backpacks in a minute, because it can just go in the back part of our backpack. Another thing are these bands, resistance bands. Thank you, Anna. Anna sent these to Brandon, and he loves these. Now there are different variations of these elastic bands. Like this is medium resistance. This is light resistance. Ooh, I need to use this. And I think this is the heavy one. Yeah, I think this is the one that he uses. But these are great because it comes in this mesh carrying case. And so once they're in here, you know, you just throw them in here, and then you can just throw them right in the bag. And, you know, these are things that he can use for his arms, legs, whatever the case is, just in case he's ever in a position where there are no weights, which happens. He has some sort of resistance that he can use, which is great. So he never has to sacrifice whatever he needs, and whatever you need for your health, do that. So this is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, so this is number 3. Pack things that break down. Don't worry about sacrificing. Everyone thinks you have to sacrifice if you're a minimalist, and you do not. You just gotta be smarter about what you bring, right? Let's go into packing as a minimalist hack tip number 4. We're going to number 4, you guys. For my ladies. Okay, can we take a minute? Seriously. I've seen a lot of comments of people that talk about how many bathing suits they pack when they go on vacation. How many bathing suits do you need on vacation? Seriously. So I bought this really cute, sexy red one he loves from Kappa Crew. And I'll put the link down below. And there's actually a discount code. So if you guys want to order from them, my discount code will be below. And they will give you a discount on a bathing suit. So they have so many different styles, and the back is out on this one. And obviously this comes up. But yeah, so this is red and white, right? Then I have these red swim shorts. They're also good cover-ups. They're actually pretty big on me now, but it's just for going to the beach or the pool or whatever. So I have these red Roxy swim shorts. So if I want, I can wear this with this and mix and match it up. And my other bathing suit I got from this cute like bathing suit boutique on Kotao. Oh my gosh, I'll put the link to her Instagram below. But these bottoms, and it came with this white top, which is so cute. I love this. But here's the hack, okay? Buy bathing suit tops and bottoms that mix and match. So this white top, right, goes with this bottom, one bathing suit. This white top can also be worn with these shorts. So that's a whole different look. So that's two. And this is all still using the same top. Then I had another bathing suit I got from Chiang Mai and I didn't love it, but I love the bottom. The top was not too flattering or anything, so I kept the bottoms and got rid of the top because I ended up buying this one in Koh Tao. But this bottom, blue and white and gold, guess what it goes with? This top. So that's already 1, 2, 3 bathing suits just by using the same top and just needing to pack 3 different bottoms with the same top. And then if I ever want to switch it up, then I wear the one piece. I do want to try to buy another top, maybe another solid color. I kind of have a lot of blues going on too, so maybe another blue top. So that will also give me even more because it'll go with this blue, it'll go with the red, and it'll go with the blue in these. So that's already 1, 2, 3 bathing suits. Plus if I get just one more additional top, that's a whole other 3 bathing suits. That's 6 plus this one, that's 7 bathing suits. And all I have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it would be like 6 items, 7 bathing suits. So easy peasy. Hack number 5 is something I just don't think people really think is so easy, but it is. What you carry your stuff in. You guys, I see people traveling around with huge backpacks on their backs. Like huge, okay? This is a 30-liter, it's the ruck pack, I believe. I'll put it down below. It's from REI, and I love this. We both have the same one. This is the green color, and then we have a maroon color. And I love this backpack so much, but this video is not about this specific backpack. If you want me to go over this specific backpack, then let me know and I'll do a video on it. But the reason why, yeah, it's the ruck pack 40 liter. So the reason why I bring up the bag is there are people that literally buy these huge liter backpacks. You guys, the bigger the bag, the more you're going to want to bring. So my mindset was we're not gonna buy the biggest bag we can. Because I don't want to check a bag. I like to be able to bring the bag on the plane because I don't want to wait for baggage. I don't want to take the chance of it getting lost. I'd rather have it with me. So this 40 liter can be carried on the plane. And because the straps are concealed, it doesn't even look as, it makes it look neater and smaller. So you can really just kind of, Superman holds it like this. So it truly does look and feel like a carry-on. But if you get a bigger backpack, I know people are like, yeah, well, if I get a bigger one, I can fit more. But that's the point. You don't want to be able to fit more because it's not about changing how you pack. It's about changing your mentality as a minimalist. So you have to go into thinking, what's the minimal amount I need, you know, to survive, be happy, be comfortable, be clean. Don't get me wrong. People are like, oh, your clothes are probably dirty. First of all, if you know us, no, it's not like that. We make sure we have enough clothes and enough outfits for the week. Hack number 6 for packing as a minimalist. Okay, packing cubes. I know. You're probably thinking, Precious, you told us that we weren't going to talk about basic packing things. Of course, packing cubes. Who doesn't use packing cubes? Well, a lot of people don't. But not all packing cubes are created equal. That's the honest truth. And here's one we bought because we needed one and we couldn't find the ones that I'm about to show you. But I just needed to be organized. We weren't leaving Thailand, we were just going to a different city, so it was okay. But this is a packing cube, right? Nothing wrong with this packing cube. See? And if it's filled, it's, you know, about that big, right? But if you're packing things that are bulky or that take up a lot of space, this is not the packing cube that you want. No. So what we use, and here's the last hack, packing cubes that collapse. You have to be so careful when you're buying these packing cubes online because they're not all created equal. So these we got, they're tripped. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below that I'm talking about. Some of them are affiliate links, so we do get a little cutty cut if you purchase with our affiliate links, but it helps to go through the channel so that we can keep making these videos for you guys. But this tripped out one, okay, so this is it if it were a normal packing cube, right? Same, you know, width and all of that. But what makes this one different is this double zipper. The double zipper causes everything in here to collapse. So that now, once you close this zipper, it's more condensed. Think of, you remember the old school vacuum seal where it was plastic and you put the vacuum in it and it sucks all the air out? That's what this does. So technically you're supposed to close it first because then it closes all the air out. And then you use this double zipper to close it. So if you have like thick blankets, or like we have a blanket we both love, or if you have a sweater or a few sweaters or things that are bulky, or anything that's just thick and bulky that you need to pack, these types of packing cubes make all the difference. You get them in different sizes too, so this is good for like our socks and things like that, washcloths, gym towels we put in here for Brandon, and it's good because it collapses it down. So it'll only get but so bulky. It condenses it and it makes it so much easier. But if you just look online for packing cubes, this is a packing cube, but it doesn't condense it. So definitely look for double zippered ones. I love these ones by Tripped because there are so many cute designs from like places from like around the world. Like the other one we have, this green one is, you know, it just looks different. Some of them remind me of like Thailand, Hawaii, so. Well, there you go, guys. I know this video is kind of long, but these are the things that we do to help us pack more minimal. This is a minimalist lifestyle that we live, and we love it because it's less pressure to have so much to pack. But these little tips and tricks are things that we learned and used within our first 2 years of full-time travel. So yeah, I just thought I'd share it with you guys, and Superman should be back from the gym soon. So I'm gonna go and get lunch ready. But please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram if you want more behind the scenes, extra details of our travels, and if you want to be a part of what videos we show. I will catch you guys on the next one.